We are back, Diamond Valley Lake.
The number you have dialed has been changed.
We're still on that mission for Christine to catch that lightning trout.
Yep. Well, yeah, I definitely want to. I'm sorry, I'm barely waking up right now.
So they did just stock that 3,000 pounds of rainbows and 500 pounds of lightning trout. What? But we're gonna try a different spot. So hopefully we find them and we'll be back. Hooked up on the first one, guys. Oh man, it's jumping like crazy. Record. First one on the mini jig.
Kept jumping.
There it is, first one.
You're using what?
It's a new mini
Oh, the
jig.
new one.
There it is. It's like a chartreuse, orange color. All right, so far so good. All right, Christine's turn. Christine got a fish. Right on the lip. Got him. Good job. That's a heavy one. All right, let's get this off real quick. Hold this.
So, look, they're catching them too. Like a whole school swam by, like right in front of me, and I finally got one. So I'm happy. He's gonna get him off, so I can throw the same jig. That was awesome.
It's a nice one too. There you go. There you go. Hold them up like so you can throw it out there again. Nice fish, damn. Nice one on a mini jig. What color was that?
Brown.
All right, we'll be back. Keep casting up. Go all the way to the left, all the way to the left. Oh, he's looking at it. Oh. Oh shit. You got one. Christine on another one. Shit. It's a nice one. Good job.
2-2, so we're tied.
That's the biggest one so far.
You said that about my last one. I was like, I honestly thought the lightning was looking at it.
It was.
And then this one swallowed it.
There you go.
Oh.
Good job.
Same mini jig.
She was going for the lightning now swimming by, but I looked at it, but this one attacked it first. Hold it the other way. All right, let's go. Christine is on her first yellow. Take your time. It's too big. It's popping out of the net.
Come on this side.
You gotta raise your pole. I gotta. Here comes another one. I have to hold it close because this thing's not big enough. Oh, got him.
This is my first one, guys.
Got him.
Yes! This one's bigger than yours.
Woo, hell yeah. That's the one.
Okay, you know how I do it.
Pull him back.
Okay.
You know, I gotta bring my big net. Just break it.
My line's
Good
tangled.
job. I know.
Really good wire. There's this one.
I'm tangled up on the.
You're tangled?
Yeah. Hold this.
Oh my god, you guys. This is exciting.
It's the one.
I've been waiting to catch a damn lightning trout.
Congratulations.
Yes! Okay.
That's the one. Turn it. I'm right there. It's the sun. What'd you catch that one on?
Mice tail.
He just cruised by and he just snatched it, huh?
After I said I wasn't gonna use any mice tail this year.
Her first
Okay.
lightning, and mine was like half a
I need
pound.
a picture.
It's a. All right.
Hold on. Gotta send it to Sam.
Yeah, it just got bit. Oh, it's in the bushes. You didn't record. Another one on the jig, guys. It's right in front of you. Dang, these ones are strong.
Second one.
Oh yeah, these good fighters.
Oh shit.
Alright guys, on the yellow and white mini jig.
2 to 1.
Second one.
Alright. It's my turn.
Alright guys, that's about it for us today. It's about noon. Christine's not feeling that well, so we're gonna head on out. But it was a perfect day today because Christine finally caught her lightning trout. How you feel?
That I feel good about, but
What did you catch it on?
I caught it with a pink mice tail, guys.
Pink mice tail,
I went back to the mice tail today
4-pound test, floor clear,
on my ugly stick.
size 8 mosquito hook on her ugly stick. Yeah, and we also caught four
Rainbows.
rainbows.
Yeah.
Those were like 2 pounds each, and the lightning was 5 pounds. Man, the one I caught was like not even a pound.
Yeah.
So she's beating me on that one for sure. But anyways, what else did we use? Mini jigs.
Jigs.
Green, yellow. But yeah, that's about it. We're gonna head on home. It's gonna take us 2 hours to get home, so well, at least we'll get home and the sun's still out.
Yeah.
But
What is it? It's 12.
yeah, it's 12. It's a little early for us to go home, but it's okay. We got the lightning. Our goal, or her goal is
Winning Wednesday, guys.
her goal is accomplished. So, till next time, guys.
Till next time.
Peace out.